Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and today I want to speak about hot peppers. As you can see over here, I've got lots of different kinds of hot peppers. I have all the way from jalapeno going up into, oh gosh, serrano and Thai peppers and ghost peppers and scorpions, going all the way up to the Carolina Reaper. And today we are actually going to show you my Thai peppers, and we're going to do a description and a taste test. So let's go ahead and go over there and let me show you my Thais right now. So these are my Thai peppers. You can see there's one right here, another one right here, and that's a Carolina Reaper. Little Reaper's growing already. More Thai and more Thai. So I've got Thai peppers all over. And right over here, I actually brought one of the plants up right over here to tell you a little bit about it. And this here, I don't know if you can see this, it's the Thai Dragon hot pepper, and it's actually ranked at 50,000 to 100,000 Scovilles. I'll put a picture of the Scoville chart so you can see the different peppers, figuring that the jalapeno ranks at about 8,000. This is going to be a hot little baby, so a hot tamala. So anyways, here we go. Let me go ahead and pick a nice one here. Oh, here's a nice red one. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Now, you young people, don't try this at home. Let me take this right down here. I'm going to take that one. Let's take a dark one too. This one looks like it's already started to dry up. Okay, so you can see right down here, I've got one that's kind of stiff and dried up. I'm not sure if you're supposed to eat them while they're dry or while they're still red. When they first come out, they're actually green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the end off, just so you can see what's in there, and we're going to cut them in half. I'm going to cut them open so you can see them. Now when you do this at home, wear gloves. I'm not wearing gloves because I am not prepared. Okay, so that's the inside of that one, the green one. Oops. Well, you see the inside and the outside of that one. We'll open a red one too. Now one thing when you're cutting these things, be sure you don't have an itchy eye. My camera person is coughing because this stuff's hot. Make sure you don't have an itchy eye and scratch your eye or your nose, because it's going to be hot. So now you can see we have seeds, the inside, the outside. Now what a lot of people don't realize is it's not the pepper that's the hottest part or the seeds. It's actually what they call the placenta. See this white stuff over here? In the peppers, these white things, or these white portions, are hotter than pretty much everything else. So we're going to go ahead and taste it. And I'm going to be daring and do this one here, the red one first, with the seeds and everything. Now, I'm not a pepper person. I would like to be a pepper person, okay? I don't eat a lot of peppers, so I don't know how I'm going to respond. The hottest pepper I've pretty much ever had was the jalapenos. So this is a Thai pepper, 100,000 to, what was it, 50 to 100,000 Scovilles. That first taste is kind of like the regular bell pepper. Tastes a lot like a bell pepper. It's not, that one wasn't really hot yet for some reason. Maybe I get the good part of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try one of these green ones, okay, with the placenta and everything. Actually quite good. Good taste. Ah, there it is. I can taste a little hotness. Sometimes these peppers don't kick in right away. The hotness comes a little bit later. They make great omelets, by the way. I've had them in omelets before, at least these Thais here. I was going to taste half of one, so what did I do? I ended up having two. So I've had, oh, that side was a little hotter too. Well, you can tell how hot something is if you start hiccuping. I haven't started hiccuping yet. It is hot. I'm not tired. You just have some with me. It's actually very good. You ought to get some of these and try them in your own omelet. Like I said, the Thai pepper, you can see all different kinds. There's how they start out green like this. Then they turn red, and then they kind of get dried out like they were. For me, this is a good pepper because I had a pretty good tolerance to it. So, hold on. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.